Students, today we discuss about the one of the parts of physics is known as light. Okay, it is the most interesting and important parts, light. So what is light? So light means it is a form of energy. It is a form of energy which gives the sensation of sight or sensation of vision. Okay, so light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of vision or sight. Okay, so in which part of physics we have to discuss about the light is known as optics. Physicsৰ যিটো পাৰ্টত আমি লাইটৰ ওপৰত ষ্টাডি কৰোঁ সেই পাৰ্টক অপটিক্স বুলি কোৱা হয়. The branch of physics deals with the study of light is known as optics. Okay, generally optics is divided into two types. তোমালোকে already স্কুলত পাইছা, ক্লাছ 10ত পাইছা, already high secondary sectionত পাইছা, second yearত. তো optics তো আমাৰ যেতিয়া ষ্টাডি কৰোঁ আমি দুটা পাৰ্টত অপটিক্স পোৱা যায়. আমি যেতিয়া ৰে ডায়াগ্ৰামখিনি সাধাৰণতে ড্ৰ কৰোঁ তেতিয়া কিছুমান লাইটটোক আমি ৰে হিচাপে কনচিডাৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ, কেতিয়াবা লাইটটোক আমি ৱেভ হিচাপে কনচিডাৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ. মানে লাইট বিহেভ বোথ পাৰ্টিকল এণ্ড ৱেভ. লাইটটোৱে পাৰ্টিকল হিচাপেও শ্ব' কৰিব পাৰে, ৱেভ হিচাপেও শ্ব' কৰিব পাৰে. বুজি পাইছা? এতিয়া চোৱা, the branch of physics deals with the study of light is known as optics. আমি ফাৰ্ষ্ট লাইটটো ইয়াত চেপ্টাৰটো ইন্ট্ৰডিউচ কৰিছোঁ. লাইট ইয়াত তোমালোকে দেখিছা ইয়াক অপটিক্স বুলি আমি ইন্ট্ৰডিউচ কৰা আছে. অপটিক্স, the branch of physics deals with the study of light. যিটো পাৰ্টত ফিজিক্সৰ যিটো পাৰ্টত লাইটৰ ওপৰত ষ্টাডি কৰোঁ তাক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? অপটিক্স. আৰু সেই অপটিক্সটো আমাৰ দুটা পাৰ্টত ডিভাইড কৰা হৈছে. ফাৰ্ষ্ট ওৱান ইজ ৰে অপটিক্স, ছেকেণ্ড ওৱান ইজ ৱেভ অপটিক্স. ঠিক আছে? So what is ray optics or geometrical optics? It is deals with the study of light as a ray. তুমি যেতিয়া লাইটটোক ৰে হিচাপে কনচিডাৰ কৰিবা, in which part we have to discuss about light as a ray, that part is known as ray optics. And this part related with some geometrical theorem or geometrical theorem. Okay, so this part is also known as geometrical optics. Second one is wave optics. So when we discuss about light as a wave is known as wave optics. যেতিয়া আমি লাইটটো ৱেভ হিচাপে, ৱেভ চিনি পোৱা নাই? তৰংগ, ডিষ্টাৰবেন্স অফ দ্য পাৰ্টিকলছ অফ এ মিডিয়াম, মাধ্যমৰ কণাসমূহৰ সঞ্চালন তৰংগ বুলি কোৱা হয়. ঠিক আছে? So when we discuss about light as a wave is known as wave optics. বুজি পাইছা? So first part, in ray optics we discuss about mirror, lens, spherical surface, prism, and this type of device we discuss about in ray optics. Okay, then in wave optics we discuss about light as a wave. ঠিক আছে? So first we study about ray optics. Okay, note কৰি ল'বা এইটো. The first part, so when we discuss about light we get some terms related with light. Okay, so when we discuss about light then we get first term is source. So what is source? Source means from which light can be produced, that is source. উৎস, য'ৰ পৰা পোহৰটো সৃষ্টি হয় তাক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? source বুলি ক'ব পাৰি. In that case some of the sources are luminous source and some of the non-luminous. কিছুমান source luminous আৰু কিছুমান non-luminous, যিবিলাকে নিজেও পোহৰ দিব পাৰে, which can provide light safely, that is luminous source, and which does not provide light safely, that is non-luminous source. Okay, so in this case we get terms source. First term when we discuss about light, first term is source. Source, what is source? Which can provide light, which can produce light, that is source. Second term, ray. So what is ray? Ray means the part through which light propagate. The path through which light propagate is known as ray. Jar through light to propagate hoy. Tak buli koha hoy rays. If number of rays together, ray jodi ami eneke log logai plau, number of rays together is known as beam. Number of rays together is known as beam. Beam. ठीक है. So there are three types of beam. Beam type तीनटा আছে. First one is parallel, horizontal parallel beam. Second one converging. Third one diverging. Horizontal rashmi, অভিসাৰী ৰশ্মি আৰু অপসাৰী ৰশ্মি. Parallel beam, converging beam and diverging beam. Parallel beam, which are parallel like this. These are parallel beam. First one, this is parallel beam. These are converse. Okay, so this is converging beam. These are converging beam. Okay, and these are diverging beam. ठीक है, बुझी पाइছে? So this is parallel beam, this is converging, and this is diverging beam. Okay, so next part. After this, we discuss about the one of the phenomena related with light. Okay, so what is this phenomena? This is the most interesting phenomena, which is known as reflection of light. Do you know what is reflection? Reflection of light. So what is reflection? Reflection, পোহৰৰ প্ৰতিফলন কাক বলে? পোহৰ প্ৰতিফলন যেতিয়া এটা পোহৰ ৰশ্মি এটা মাধ্যমৰ পৰা আহি পুনৰ আগৰ মাধ্যমলৈ ঘূৰি যায় বা উভতি আহে, সেই পৰিঘটনাকে কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? পোহৰৰ প্ৰতিফলন বুলি কোৱা হয়. So bouncing back of light. So bouncing back of light after striking a surface is known as reflection of light. Okay, so here we consider this is a surface. This is surface. This is reflecting surface. That means here reflect the beam of light. So it is reflecting surface. So this is the beam of light incident on it. After striking the surface, it come back to the same medium like this. Okay, so this is normal. A, O, B, N. Okay, so what is reflection? So bouncing back of light after striking a surface is known as reflection of light. Bouncing back. Okay, so here this is incident ray. AO. This is incident ray. Apoditor rashmi. OB. Reflected ray. ON. Normal. So this incident ray, this is reflected ray, and this is ON is normal. Okay, so here in reflection phenomena, this angle made by the incident ray with the normal, angle made by incident ray with the normal, this angle is denoted by I. Angle made by incident ray with the normal is known as angle of incidence, and angle made by reflected ray with the normal is known as reflected angle. This is angle of incidence, and this is angle of reflection. Okay, so in reflection we get two laws there, which is known as laws of reflection. The first law is this incident ray, that is AO, reflected ray and normal, all are lies in same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence are lies in same plane. Tomake likhi loba, incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence are lies in same plane. Okay. Second law, the angle of incidence, that means angle I. Angle I equal to angle R. Angle I equal to angle R. That means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, sir? So we get two laws. First law, in laws of reflection, incident ray, reflected ray and normal are lies in same plane. Second law, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So here we get another angle, that is this angle. The angle made by incident ray with a reflecting surface is denoted by theta. So where is theta? Theta means glancing angle. Glancing angle. G-L-A-N-C-I-N-G. Glancing angle. Okay. So next part we have discussed about the reflection of light in mirror. Okay. Thank you.